Want to customize Roblox like a pro and speed up your launch? Here's how to download BOXSTRAP the easy way. Step 1. Open any browser and go to this link, github.com/pizzaboxer/blockstrap. I've also dropped the link in the description for you. This is the official GitHub page where BOXSTRAP is hosted, so no sketchy sites, just clean and legit. Once you're on the page, look to the right side and click on the Releases section. This is where the newest versions are uploaded. Click on the latest release. Should be at the top. Scroll down and download the file called BOXSTRAP.exe. It's small and safe to run. The download should only take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Now double-click the file you just downloaded to launch it. BOXSTRAP doesn't require installation, it runs right away. You'll see the interface where you can set themes, change launch settings, switch between different Roblox channels, and even skip those annoying updates. If you're a developer modder, or just someone who wants more control, BOXSTRAP is a game changer. You can run multiple Roblox versions, test games in different environments, and boost performance, all with just a few clicks. And that's it! If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.